What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Right now I'm outside of my mom's house, and I was just thinking about how everything started. When I pulled up to my mom's house, it was just like this one, just had the carport. I put the car garage on it, put some gates on the back and the rear, cleaned up the backyard. Had to do a lot of cutting of the trees in the front that was actually about to grow into the house, into the roof. Cut all them back so I can still utilize the trees, but don't have the issue of them getting into the house. It was a lot of work, fam, but this is where it at up to this point. And I'm thankful and humble that my mom left me this inheritance, even though I had to put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears and money into the project. And I'm not done, but I'm at a point now where I can sit back and just reflect on how it all started, and just to be thankful that I got it up to this point. And I just wanted to pass some wisdom down to anyone who has got an inheritance from a family member, maybe in a rural area somewhere that they don't want to stay at or don't want to live. Don't sell your inheritance, your real estate, for some paper, family, no matter where you at, fam. Because if you do that, that paper isn't real, but this land is real. They're not making that anymore. So if anything, utilize it. Keep it alive for your children or for your grandchildren or for when you come visit or something. Just save it, fam. If they made that sacrifice and they gave their life to obtain something, that way that their children and their children can be able to have some shelter, honor that. That's how you honor your family, fam. That's how you honor your family. I mean, we all do a lot of boasting and bragging about how we getting it in and living our best life, but if you had someone in your life that actually blessed you with something, that was thinking ahead of you when you was on some BS, they was thinking about how they was going to be able to provide for you, then once you get to a certain stage in life, you should be able to go back and honor them, fam. That's all I'm saying. So don't sell your inheritance for some paper. I don't care where it's at, utilize it. You never know what could happen in the city you're in, or in the town, or the state, or whatever. Anything can happen. Y'all be blessed. Keep getting your hog on. I'm out.